Okay, hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a dangerous trend that is going on and it's affecting a lot of unsuspecting people, especially mothers who feel they are doing the best for their kids. Meanwhile, something else is going on. After watching this video, ensure that you share today because there are a lot of unsuspecting mothers out there who need to have this information. So quite recently I met a woman whose baby had boils all over his body. I mean, head, the skin, on his arms, just all over. And the first thing that came to my mind was, Mommy, what exactly are you using on this boy's skin? And she said, oh, she's using one shea butter mix that she got from some vendor, skincare vendor who makes these products and promises glowing, brighter skin and better skin for her baby. And this child is less than 1 year, so he's an infant. Now when I probed deeper, I realized that the cream the shea butter mix that she bought from this woman doesn't have an ingredient list. It just says shea butter. Now, what a lot of people do, I'm telling you guys out there that it's crazy. But what a lot of people do, because of in this world of a lot of competition and all that, a lot of people mix so many chemicals with this shea butter cream and give it to mothers who feel that they're using organic, natural products for their baby skin and expecting the best results from this. But at the end of the day, it usually ends up in disaster. Let me tell you why. Mixtures usually contain potent steroids. Yes, a lot of them in tubes and all that are readily available and surprisingly very cheap. So a lot of these people mix this shea butter with those steroid containing creams. When the baby is initially applied this, or when these products are applied on the kids, initially their skin looks glowing, it looks healthy. One of the things that steroids would do is to dampen the melanin production in the skin. The result of this is a somewhat initially brighter skin. But then as you continue to use this along the line, what begins to happen is that the side effects of steroids begin to come in. That's why as doctors, we don't readily like to prescribe steroids for people for long-term use. A lot of times we put them on steroid holidays, replacing them with steroid-sparing agents. So when these creams are applied, initially the baby is bright, looks glowing, looks healthy, but in a very short while the side effects start rolling in. One of the side effects can be hypopigmentation, when the skin begins to lose its color irreplaceably. So you begin to see light patches develop on the person's skin. But as is the case in this baby, one of the significant things that steroid will cause is immunosuppression. Immunosuppression is just a big term to say that it basically renders the person defenseless. So it suppresses your immunity, and your immunity is supposed to protect you, and your skin is the largest organ of protection that you have. So it protects you from outside infection, the boils that should just attack you every day, and all sorts of infection. What happens then when the steroids suppress your immunity is that your body and your skin can no longer protect you from all those infections, and you begin to develop all sorts of things like the boils in this case, fungal infections that look very strange, florid all over the skin. Some people even have acne, that's pimples, from using steroid-based creams or creams that have been tainted with these steroids. The other thing that even is shocking is that steroids can also thin the skin. So irreversibly damage the skin to the point where it becomes so thin that the skin begins to develop stretch marks. So you begin to see children of 5 years begin to have stretch marks, and you're wondering what exactly is going on. Then let's not even talk about all the discoloration. So you have some dark patches and some light patches and so many other things. But the most important thing I wanted to talk about today is the fact that using these mixed steroid containing creams can cause your babies to have infection all over their skin, especially things like boils, which is the commonest, the microorganism that is found on the skin, which can give your baby boils. So please, I want you to share this information to mothers out there. What's the solution really? The solution basically is that if you must use shea butter, you want to ensure that you're getting it from a reputable dealer or vendor who is selling real, organic, authentic products. that is not into glowing, brightening, shining, and all those other things. That's number one. Number two is that shea butter is readily available in the market. Yes, it may not look aesthetically pleasing because you don't put it in all these shiny containers and all that, but you can just buy the blocks and actually make your shea butter cream by yourself at home. I have done a shea butter cream somewhere in my video playlist, so you can check that out. You're going to have to go a bit far, but if I can, I'll link it up. But please and please, or I will link it in the description. So please protect your baby's skin and protect the skin of your family by ensuring that you avoid these dangerous creams that contain steroids that are so readily available out there in the market. Thank you so much for watching today. Please, if you've not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can get more up-to-date juicy bits of information that will help you in your skincare journey. I'll see you in my next video.